Muchísimas gracias
Welcome to this webinar.
a este webinario. Como seguramente
As you were
vieron
aware,
en las
within the
comunicaciones,
announcements of this
este
webinar, the
webinario
idea is to
busca
reflect and to get to know about some of the
reflexionar y
experiences on
conocer algunas
strengthening the
experiencias de
community
fortalecimiento de
participation
la
in the
participación
implementation
comunitaria en la
of the Global
implementación
Fund grants,
de
as
las
well as
subvenciones del
on
Fondo
getting to know
Mundial y
the role
también en el
as
rol
what is known
de
as
lo que se
the
conoce como
oversight.
supervisión, traducido de
This
oversight del
oversight,
inglés, esta supervisión
this strategic oversight for the
estratégica que se
grants.
hacen de las subvenciones.
So
Entonces,
later on, we will
vamos a
have
tener más
a
adelante
contribution from
con
Carla Guevara
nosotras
of El Salvador,
a
as well as from
Carla
Carlos Rojas
Guevara del
from Peru.
Salvador y
But
Carlos
first,
Rojas
let us
de
start
Perú.
this
Pero vamos a
session
iniciar
with
esta
broadcasting,
sesión con
showing two
una
sessions. These
transmisión
sessions were held in
de dos
English.
sesiones
The
en
first one
inglés.
is from Gilles Cesari
La
from the
primera
Global
es
Fund.
de Gilles Cesari del Fondo
These two
Mundial.
sessions were recorded in a
Estas
preliminary
sesiones fueron
webinar
grabadas en un webinario anterior
that took place. It was held in English.
que ocurrió en inglés. Entonces,
So as
les
I was
decía
telling you
hace
before,
un
you just need
ratito
to
que
check on
verifiquen que
the
pueden
select
tener
the
el audio en
language, select the
español en la
Spanish
base
language. You will
de
find
sus
an
pantallas. Pueden
icon
encontrar un
in a globe
icono
shape.
redondo en
From there, you
forma de
can choose
mundo
the
y pueden
language. You can choose
seleccionar
Spanish.
el
So
idioma en
let's start
español.
with this
Como les decía, vamos a
recording
iniciar entonces con
session
una
from an
transmisión de la
expert from the Global
grabación de
Fund,
un
Gilles
experto del
Cesari.
Fondo Mundial,
He will
Gilles
speak about
Cesari,
the foundations
quien
of
nos va a
what
presentar
does
las
the commitment
bases
on the
de
implementation
lo
of the
que
grants mean
significa el compromiso en la implementación de la subvención, de
from
las
the
subvenciones del
community
Fondo Mundial
perspective.
desde la
What is
mirada
needed or what
comunitaria,
is
¿no? De
expected
lo que
from this participation
requeriría,
from
lo
the
que se
communities.
espera de esta participación
Afterwards,
desde las
then
comunidades.
you will see the
Seguidamente, ustedes van
recording.
a ver
It will
la
be followed
transmisión casi de corrido.
by another
Vamos a tener
recorded session.
también otra
It will be
transmisión
around
de
7 to 8 minutes
otros 7, 8
from
minutos
Ed Gnoxy.
de Ed
He's also an expert from the
Goxin,
Global Fund,
también un experto del Fondo Mundial que nos va
and
a
he will give us
como
the overview
dar el
of the
panorama de lo que
strategic
significa
oversight
la supervisión estratégica, oversight que se llama en
of the
inglés,
grants. And also he will speak about the
de las
role of the
subvenciones y
civil
cuál es el
society
rol que jugarían
organizations
las
and the community
organizaciones de
organizations
la sociedad civil,
within this
las
strategic
organizaciones
oversight.
comunitarias en
So
esta supervisión
please choose
estratégica.
the language,
¿Ok?
choose that you are
Entonces,
able to
verifiquen
listen
por
in
favor que pueden
Spanish.
escuchar en
If you go downwards in the
español.
base of
Insisto, a la base de su pantalla
screen,
deben
you will
encontrar el
see
icono del
the
mundo
global
para que puedan
icon, and then
escuchar
from there
la
choose the language.
interpretación.
So if we can
Adelante,
share
Juan Carlos, con
the
la
screen.
interpretación, perdón, con la transmisión.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the introduction. Hi, everyone. Nice to see so many, almost 300 people in this webinar today. So I'm very pleased. While I'm waiting for the slides to be shared, a few words. So my name is Gilles Cesari. I'm a country manager, the Southern team, currently working in the Burundi country team, and I'll try to focus on the grant implementation and how can be engaged during that phase of the grant life cycle. So next slide, please. Perfect. So this slide is really showing us the grant life cycle in its entirety. You can see. Just to note that the graph is not really at scale. Typically, the grant in orange is over 3 years, and the application, the grant make that you see in blue and purple, is taking an average 7 to 8 months, and it happens the year before start of the implementation. And then we have the closure period, which is generally about 6 months, and it happens the year after the last year of implementation. So this slide is really clear that the implementation phase, grant life cycle, is really the longest, and therefore we believe it's really key for community. Next slide, please. So what happens during the implementation? The Global Fund is a donor, as you know. And as a donor, of course, our job is to those funds to the principal recipients. So the disbursement of funds is one of the key activities during the implementation phase. Because without any funds disbursed, of course, there are no interventions which can be effective. As a donor and like any donor, the Global Fund also expects, principal recipients and the country coordinating mechanisms to provide data on what they have achieved, both in terms of programmatic targets, but also financial outcomes. And we try to be a very agile donor. And so the Global Fund is constantly working with principal recipients, with sub-recipients, and with the country coordinating mechanisms to adjust existing grants. We call this sometimes about grant revisions, sometimes it's referred to as reprogramming. But basically, the idea is to have this very agile way of using these grants to maximize the use of the limited resources we all have and with the impact. Next slide, please. So the tools that we use for reporting are the progress update and disbursement request. So it's called PU or PUDR, and they are usually sent by the principal recipient every 6 months for very large locations. And we also have the pulse checks and spot checks. From those, the Global Fund, the CCM, the country coordinating mechanism, the principal recipients get a performance review of the grant, including results on specific targets. Example, the number of HPV we received treatment during the last 6 months. The reporting period is important and it gives a great picture of the grant implementation, of successes, and the challenges as well. So community engagement is here because community-based organizations engage in the response and share the results, obviously. The community-based organizations and communities can also ask questions directly to the recipient or through their CCM representatives on the underperforming when the reporting is consolidated, for example. It can be a good way to share issues and solutions to improve the results. So the reporting period is really also a key step of the process by committees. Ed is going to talk more about the role of community engagement in the process. But just to note that the systems also must report on the materialization of co-financing of GOV. This is something that we take very seriously at the Global Fund. And so here as well, community engagement is very, very important. National and local civil society organizations and community-based organizations are in first line when it comes to making government accountable. And so in countries where there is a monitoring system in place, for example, and we will have later about CLM and how to use data generated by CLM to improve results. Data generated by CLM can really, from that system, can be a powerful tool to advocate for the materialization of co-financing. Next slide, please. As mentioned earlier, the Global Fund is constantly working with the principal recipient of PR and the system to adjust the grants. So remember, we got them revisions for programming. And the idea is really to maximize the use of the resources and increase impact. There are types of grant revisions, as shown on the slide. But the important point here is that it's one of the most critical months of grant implementation. So this is the time where all stakeholders need to reflect on what was perhaps missed during grant making, or maybe some circumstances have changed. And so it's very crucial to adapt interventions and budgets that the recipients and all the stakeholders are using. Communities should be part of the revision discussions, ideally. It can be either through the national program and the Ministry of Health, or through directly the recipients. Sometime, maybe in your countries, there is also a community principal recipient. There are also very often community sub-recipients. You can also go through your representative at the CCM or with the Global Fund team. For example, very personal. But for example, I meet with a large representation of during each mission, and we discuss a list of priorities, if you wish, to include. So not every priority will make it into the grant revision. This is very clear, just like this as well when the grant making stage. But this will be very country specific. But I still encourage communities to find their allies to be heard during the discussions around grant revisions. Next slide. So to help with discussion during grant revisions, I wanted to remind you of the new annex, which was included for the first time during the grant cycle 7 funding request, almost 3 years ago. The annex of funding priority for society and communities most affected by HIV in Himalaya. This is a very good document to refer to, as it contains dimensions or activities which may or may have not yet been included in the current grants, but these activities, including this annex, already made consensus at the time of discussion during the funding process. However, you do not have to be limited to the activities in this annex. During implementation, like I mentioned, you may have noticed that something was completely missing from the picture, or something is just not working as an implementation. And so you want to propose also how to fix it during implementation. In any case, your CCM community and civil society representative should be engaged in you as well in the discussions on grant implementation. You can read more on the engagement, a guide to opportunities for the life cycle, and the link will be in the presentation. Next slide, please. So here is like a completely non-exhaustive list of ways to engage during implementation. Request use the results of grants. Programmatic performance, financial performance. This is basically how we drive towards, right? So use this, request and use the results of the grants, performance, financial and programmatic. Meeting with the government team to share your strategic solutions to gaps in the response. Keeping a permanent communication channel with your recipients, CCM, and at the CCM, especially through your representative, and or also through other allies at the CCM. Update annex for community priority to have a list of already pre-agreed interventions, which can be used and can be suggested, whenever they are saving organization, so that you get ready to the table when there is discussion on how to use it, how to proceed with a grant revision. And also engage with the government on co-financing. The government grants will never cover all the needs. We all know for that. Domestic financing is very, very crucial, and engagement really transparent. Next slide, please. Finally, for your reference, you will hear a recording of the webinar organized by Input in June 2024. And this webinar was focusing on how you can make your voice count in grant revisions. So I really encourage you to do. Again, community engagement will be very country specific. So I'm not to give ideas, solutions, or tips, that will apply to very country specific. Even sometimes communities, but we can really all learn from each other. So I really urge you to be engaged during this phase of the project. With that, I thank you, and I hand it over to Ed. Thank you.
Great, thank you so much, Jill. Let me see if I can try to protect my screen.
Thank you, Jill. Yeah, and now the floor is yours. And after Ed's presentation, we will Q&A session when participants will be able to ask those questions they may have on the material being presented.
Great. Thank you so much, Ivan. And I'm happy to take on the second part of the theoretical session, as we call it. It's great to connect with colleagues. And again, those who I don't have yet opportunity to meet, my name is Ed Thompson, and I work in the CIGP department. So my presentation builds on what I already talked to about the grant implementations, with a focus on the oversight function of the CCM, particularly the role of the oversight committee in this process. So in the next 10 minutes, I'll try to provide you with a basic overview of the oversight, part of our policy and guidance, and that will follow with concrete examples, which I think is quite an excellent model for engagement during this period. I would also like to the presentation acknowledge that if the colleagues from the CPM Hub has joined as well, Yaroslava, who is a subject matter expert on this topic. Without further ado, so the other reminder to all of you, and I'm sure you're pretty well familiar with it, the CPM plays a crucial role in the oversight, using various aspects, including financial, programmatic, and management aspects of the grants, and ensuring that the implementation of global funds supported programs contribute to national health response. The core principle here of oversight is looking at a high-level element and ensure that resources are being efficiently and effectively implemented and testing. It's a different kind of exercise from the grant monitoring function, which usually is performed by the principal recipient. Nevertheless, the oversight function helps the principal recipient to identify some of the key bottlenecks and make sure the grant is impactfully implemented. The oversight function is one of the 6 eligibility requirements of the Global Fund policy that the CCM needs to comply. Usually, CCMs establish a subcommittee called CCM Oversight Committee to help plan, coordinate, and implement the oversight activities. These CCM's Oversight Committee is not a decision-making body. It is a committee that makes recommendations back to the CCM as a whole for decision-making. And this Oversight Committee usually supports the principal recipient to translate the adopted actions to improve the program. By design, the Oversight Committee is nominated and elected by other CCM members through a voting process in accordance with the CCM bylaw. It usually is comprised of governments, civil society, including representatives from key population and all community pieces. The engagement of civil society and community representatives here is very important because the programs of the Global Fund funds usually include a focus on provision of services at the community level. So we do believe that the CSO and community partners can provide an in-depth contextual understanding of the performance data, which is the critical information to have. And this is usually, kind of illustrate a basic process for oversights, right? Collecting information, analyzing the data, recommending action, and then follow up on the result. And what you can see here is an example that's drawn from Ghana CCM that kind of provides the process of the cycle of how the oversight activity is being implemented. First, the PR would submit the work plan, performance framework, dashboard. If you remember, actually, that you mentioned progress this personal request, audit, and other reports if available, and that includes assessment of other programs as well, right? Available, as well as the data analysis are available through the period monitoring. The CCM Secretariat identifies additional information as relevant. The committee then review this information, identify issues, and select actions. Very often, that includes conducting the site visits as part of the ad hoc activities of routine to complement insights before the CCM oversight committee submit a finding and recommendation to the CCM. Then the CCM meeting takes debate, they discuss and decide on possible actions. And again, it's the responsibility of the CCM Secretariat and oversight the committee to ensure these actions are implemented and reported back to the CCM more broadly. So pretty much straightforward, right? That's how the process should work. Also, in terms of the oversight visit, I think it's really important to highlight that properly. We have instances where we recognize that the oversight visits really help us to understand the reasons behind poorly performing area of the program. We have examples of the CCM Oversight Committee that conducted additional analysis to understand why prevention program is not working well or not accessible for programs. There was some insight we point out to change which is one of the key reasons why the service is not being taken by the community. So I think the CCM Oversight has some value and provide a complementarily insight for the CCM Oversight to make a recommendation back to the CCM. The last slide I have here is just to kind of remind you that the public compliance, what the Global Fund Secretariat is monitoring, is oversight fund being one of the CCM eligibility requirements. If you remember, CCM eligibility requirements wanted to set at the point of the funding request submission, the 3, 4, 5, 6, ones shown here, is more over the course of the grant implementation period. All CCMs must submit follow the oversight plan for the Global Fund through financing. And this plan has to include details on how oversight activities will engage the broadband stakeholders, including community and civil society. Very often, CCM Oversight Committee members conduct oversight visits, as I mentioned before, and these also need to be indicated in the plan. And finally, CCM have assessed the effectiveness of CCM using a performance framework, which speaks to the oversight functions. Look at the 3 components as assessed on an annual basis and use the assessment to inform the CCM secretariat and incorporate it into the CCM funding decision. The question includes that the oversight committee has a right membership in place, that have a strategy, rights, and also does include a representation of the key vulnerable population and with living with these diseases. Second, does ask the question about does it use strategic information and analysis to organize consultation, site visit, does it use CLM data when available, and deliberations. And lastly, it asks a question about does it work effectively with PR to proactively identify and mitigate risk to programs here and assess to make sure that the follow-up action is being communicated. So I think I'll stop here and look forward to it. Thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you, Juan
Gracias,
Carlos. We
Juan
just
Carlos.
stop
Que tenemos
reaching
ahí
the.
la
We have several
proyección.
questions
Muchísimas
in the
gracias. Hay
chat
algunas
box with
consultas
the
en el
fact of
chat
if we can
respecto de
share
si
these
podemos
slides.
compartir las
As for the
presentaciones.
moment,
En
we
estos
don't have
momentos
them
no
in
las tenemos
Spanish,
en
but we
español,
will ask
pero
them.
vamos a
We will ask
solicitarlas
the Global
al
Fund team
equipo
so we
del
can
Fondo
do the
Mundial, de
translation and
manera que
then we
podamos
can
hacer la
share that with
traducción
you.
y compartirlas con ustedes. Em,
I
Quisiera,
would like
no voy
to
a
reflect
hacer
on these
una reflexión muy
presentations.
grande de estas
We would
presentaciones.
like to hear
Quisiéramos
3
escuchar
comments from the
3
audience in
comentarios
general.
desde la
But
audiencia,
I just
pero
want to
antes
repeat,
de
or I just
pasar
want
a
to say
ello, solo 2
from
frases que me
this
gustaría
presentation. From the first one, I can
retomar
say that we
de las
should reclaim
presentaciones. De la
our
primera,
place in the
reclamar
table.
nuestro
It
sitio
is
en la mesa,
important that
¿no?
from the
Es
communities of
importante
the civil
que desde
society,
las
we need to be
comunidades,
in
desde la
those, we need to be
sociedad
included in those
civil,
spaces where
estemos
policies
en
are being
esos
designed
espacios
and
donde se
where the
diseñan las
grants are
políticas, donde se
designed also,
diseñan las
so we can
subvenciones,
participate in an active
y
manner
podamos
on those
participar
decision-making
activamente
processes.
de
And
esas
from the second
decisiones.
presentation,
Y
the outcome that I get is
segunda
that the
presentación
steps
hemos
that we should
visto
follow
los
on this
pasos que
oversight
pueden
process
llevar el monitoreo,
from
el oversight de la
the
supervisión
CCM
estratégica
perspective.
desde el MCP.
I think it's
y
relevant, or it is
nos
important to
parece
highlight here
relevante
that each CCM
señalar
will
que cada
define its own
MSP
path
va a
in
definir
order
su
to follow
camino
this
para
strategic oversight,
esta
as well as in
supervisión
the different steps
estratégica
the
y
communities should
también
be
en los
included.
diferentes pasos las comunidades deben estar
So
presentes.
before going to
Antes de pasar a
Carla's and
a
Carlos'
las
presentation,
presentaciones
I
de
don't know
Carla
if
y de
there's
Carlos,
a comment
no
from
sé si
these
hay
two presentations.
algún
Our
comentario.
colleagues from the Global
Nuestros
Fund
colegas del Fondo
regretted that
Mundial
they were not
lamentaban
able to be
mucho
here today.
no poder
So
estar
that's why we
ahora
took
mismo
these
con
two
nosotros.
presentations from
Por
a
eso tomamos
previous
estas
webinar.
presentaciones de un
But if
webinario
there is
anterior.
any comment
Pero
from
si hay
these two
algún
presentations,
comentario
we can
respecto
take
de las
up to 3 comments.
presentaciones,
We are on time.
podemos tomar hasta 3, creo
Can
yo.
just
Estamos
raise
a
your hand.
tiempo.
If
Levanten
you
la
don't find
manito.
a hand, it's in the
Si no
icon.
encuentran la manito que está en el icono de reacciones en la
You
base de
can
sus
also write
pantallas,
in the chat
pueden
box,
escribir en el
I
chat,
want
pido
to
la
speak,
palabra o
or
algo
you can
parecido, de
open
tal
your
manera que podamos
microphones.
abrirles el micrófono o que ustedes mismos abran el micrófono.
Any comment?
¿Algún comentario?
So I just want to think that it is very clear to all of
Quiero
us.
creer que ha
I
quedado
think there is a
bastante
comment
claro.
from Roxana Bretoneche in
Por
the
ahí hay
chat
un
box,
comentario de Roxana
and it's
Bretoneche
regarding
en el chat respecto
on
de
having these sustainable ideas from the
presentar
communities
ideas
and to respect
sostenibles
the
desde las comunidades.
participation of the
Entiendo respetar la
communities, as
participación
well as on the
de las
criteria of the
comunidades, respetar
guidelines
también
of
los
the
criterios de los manuales,
CCMs.
entiendo de los MCPs, ya que
Roxana is from
habla
Peru.
Roxana nos habla desde Perú. Y bueno,
In general terms, the idea is
a
to
nivel
respect the
general,
participation and
respetar
involvement of
la
the
participación
communities.
de las comunidades, ¿no?
So if there are no more
Em,
comments,
Si no tenemos,
I just want to
más
make a break
comentarios,
here
quiero hacer
before
un
going on.
paréntesis
Also
antes
in the chat
de
box, you will
seguir,
find a
y
link
en el chat
for
van a
some
encontrar un
informative
vínculo
sessions
para
that will take place
unas
tomorrow
sesiones
and on
informativas
Friday.
que serán
Juan
mañana
Carlos
y
is
el
going to
viernes. Ahí Juan Carlos nos ayuda con los
search
vínculos.
to
Para que
share. He's
puedan
going to
inscribirse.
share
Son
with us the
sesiones
links
informativas
so we can join
acerca
tomorrow
de lo
and on
que
Friday
está
the sessions
sucediendo y
of
va a suceder
what will
con
happen with the fund.
los financiamientos del Fondo
Anuar,
Mundial.
the floor is yours.
Anuar,
Gracias,
por favor, te escuchamos.
Sí,
Thank you.
quisiera hacer un breve comentario. Gracias,
want to
Lee,
give a brief
porque
comment.
pronto quisiera hacer un breve comentario
Soon we will
sobre
organize a
monitoreo
webinar
liderado
with
por la
regards on
comunidad.
the
Un webinar
monitoring and oversight
solamente
led by the
liderado
community.
por la comunidad. Presentación de
Based on
entonces
this
solamente marcar la
presentation from
diferencia
we need
entre lo que es
to
el
highlight
monitoreo,
the difference
marcar
between
la
what is
diferencia que
the
se lleva a
strategic
cabo que es
monitoring
el
that
monitoreo
takes place
y que
within
está
the
vinculado que se lleva a
CCMs,
cabo muy cercanamente
that's also
con
linked
la implementación
very
de la
closely with the
vinculado
implementation of the
muy
grant
cercanamente
at a
con
national
y
level.
el monitoreo
And then on the
liderado
other
por la
hand, we
comunidad
have
que
the
es un
monitoring
enfoque
led
el
by the
monitoreo
community.
liderado
That
por
is
la
a
comunidad
more
solo es
broader
marcar esa
monitoring.
diferencia mucho más
So we
amplia
just need to
estamos
highlight
hablando
this
de
difference
solo
that we are
marcar esa
speaking about
diferencia o
two
estamos
different
hablando de
tools
dos
or
que van
methodologies
encaminadas a un
that
mismo
are focused
metodologías
to
pero
one
que
same
tienen sus
purpose, but that
peculiaridades
they
y que
have their
tienen
own
sus objetivos
specificities
muy pero
and
que
their
tienen
own
sus peculiaridades
specific
y que
objectives.
tienen sus objetivos esos
And
enfoques pueden en algún
those approaches in a certain
esos
point
enfoques pueden
can
pero
put
no
together,
necesariamente en algún
but
momento
that not necessarily
y
mean
vamos a
that they are
hablar
the
más
same.
adelante
And later on also,
sobre monitoreo
we will
liderado
speak
por la
about
comunidad y
the
vamos a hablar
monitoring
más
led
adelante
by the community,
sobre
because
monitoreo
it's also
liderado por la
important to
comunidad
highlight this
porque
approach.
vale mucho la pena
Because
hablar sobre este
we can
enfoque de
say
muchas
that
personas
it's in the mind of
está
many
muy
people being
monitoreo
able to
liderado en la mente
implement
de muchas
this
personas
monitoring
el poder
led by the
implementar
community
el
within the
monitoreo liderado
context
por la comunidad
of
en el
the
contexto
Global Fund grants.
creo que las presentaciones fueron muy claras nos
I
dan
think
mucha
that these
orientación
presentations
sobre
were very clear.
las presentaciones fueron muy claras
They
de la
gave us great
implementación y qué parte
clarity on
corresponde a
what
monitorear
belongs to the implementation
corresponde
and
a la
which one
implementación
belongs to the
que
strategic
corresponde pero sí quería hacer esa distinción
monitoring.
porque
So,
son dos
but I just
momentos
wanted to make this
frecuentemente pero
distinction
sí quería
because
hacer esa distinción
frequently
porque
we
el
confuse
monitoreo o la supervisión estratégica del
monitoring or
MSP
the
el
strategic oversight
monitoreo
from the
liderado o la supervisión
CCM and the
estratégica
one
del
led by the
MSP con
community.
monitoreo liderado por la comunidad.
Thank you. Thank you,
Gracias,
Anuar.
Lee.
Muchísimas
And yes, it
gracias,
is also important
Anuar.
that we need to highlight
Y
that
sí,
from the
destacar
LAC
que desde
platform,
la
we have
plataforma LAC
promoted also those
se ha venido
experiences and
impulsando
being able to
también
get to
esas
know a
experiencias
little
y
bit more
conocer
about
más
this
del
monitoring leaded by the
monitoreo
community.
liderado
So
por la
soon
comunidad
we
y
will have
pronto tendremos un
a
webinario
webinar
siempre en alianza con
to
corresponsales
show and to
clave
share
también
some of the
para
experiences
mostrar,
of what
difundir algunas experiencias
the
probablemente
monitoring
de lo
leaded
que
by
es
the community
de lo
is.
que está haciendo el monitoreo liderado por la
So
comunidad.
as we don't have any more
Ok,
comments, then
siendo que no hay más
remember to check in
comentarios,
the chat box
recuerden
here.
revisar en el
There
chat
are
de esta
the links
reunión
that have
los
been shared
vínculos para las
that
sesiones
will take
informativas
place
que
on
serán el
Wednesday and Friday
miércoles
this
y el
week.
viernes de esta semana
So you can
para
participate from those
para que
and get
puedan
to know a
participar y
little bit
conocer
more of
más de
what's
lo
going on
que
with the Global
está
Fund
pasando
grants.
con las
So
subvenciones del
with
Fondo
further
Mundial.
notice now, I will give the floor to
Así que
Carla.
sin más, voy a darle la palabra a
Carla,
Carla.
she's from El
Carla
Salvador.
es una
She's a
gran
trans
activista
woman
salvadoreña, una
leading
mujer
an
trans que
organization
lidera
called
a
Alejandría.
Alejandría, una
And
organización
she will
de
share
mujeres trans
about
para las mujeres
she
trans,
will share about
y
the
nos va a
role of the
comentar un poco el
organization in
rol
the
de su
implementation of the
organización
Global Fund
en
grants
la
in El
implementación de la
Salvador.
subvención
So
del
Carla, the
Fondo
floor is
Mundial
yours.
en El Salvador.
Thank you,
Adelante,
Lilice.
Carla, por
Thank you
favor.
for this great presentation.
Gracias,
Thank you, Anwar,
Lilice, por
and
la
thank you, the
presentación.
LAC
También
platform,
gracias a
for this
Anuar y a la plataforma LAC por
invitation,
la
being
invitación y
able to
poder,
share the
pues,
work that we do
compartir
from
un poco
this
el trabajo que
community
hacemos desde
organization,
Colectivo Alejandría
Alejandría, with
también
regards on the strategies that we have
sobre las
with the Global
estrategias que
Fund grants
actualmente
here in El
tiene
Salvador.
el Fondo Mundial acá en
So
El
let me
Salvador.
tell you that currently I'm the executive
Comentarles
director of
que,
Colectivo
bueno, yo
Alejandría.
actualmente soy la directora ejecutiva de Colectivo Alejandría.
I'm also part of the
También soy
country coordinating
parte del
mechanism
mecanismo de coordinación de país
as for the
como
co-holder of
propietaria para
the
las
men
poblaciones
and
de hombres que
women,
tienen sexo
trans
con
men and
hombres y
women,
mujeres trans,
because here we only
porque
have
acá
one
solamente
representation
hay
for both
una
populations.
representación para
And I
ambas
also belong
poblaciones
to two committees
y pertenezco a
within
dos
the
comités
CCM.
dentro
One
del mecanismo de
is
coordinación de
the
país, que es
proposal committee,
uno
and
es
the
el
second one
comité
is
de
the
propuestas
strategic
y el otro
monitoring committee.
precisamente es el
I
comité de
belong to
monitoreo
these
estratégico, que
two
también
committees. Right
soy
now, we are
parte de ese comité.
recipients
Actualmente pues
of the
somos
Global
subreceptoras del
Fund
Fondo
since
Mundial
2014.
desde el año
At that moment, it
2014,
started
¿verdad?
that
Donde
the new financing
comenzó
model of the Global
en
Fund
ese
started
momento el nuevo
through
modelo de
the
financiamiento del Fondo
subrecipients.
Mundial a través pues
And we
de los
can say that we
subreceptores
are from the key
que somos
populations. We
como
belong to
de las
the key
poblaciones
populations, and
clave,
we
¿verdad?
develop
Y que
several
realizamos
activities to
distintas
support the
actividades
response,
para
not only at a national
apoyar a
level
la
for HIV,
respuesta
but also
no solo
to
nacional al
the
VIH, sino que
objectives, to the
también
international
a los
objectives
objetivos
to end the
internacionales
HIV epidemics,
de
but
poner
also
fin,
being able
¿verdad?, a
to
la
reach
epidemia del
the
VIH, pero
95,
también poder
95, 95
alcanzar las
goals
metas
that
95,
UNAIDS and the
95,
Global Fund,
95,
as well as
que
other
también
actors,
UNOCIDA y el
had
Fondo
committed to.
Mundial y otros actores de la respuesta se han comprometido.
So, in order to start,
Em, bueno, para
who
empezar,
is Alejandría?
mm,
Alejandría is a
¿quién
group
es Alejandría? Bueno,
that was
Alejandría es
created. It is
un
a
grupo, ¿verdad?, que
LGBTI
nació
group
de personas LGBTI
created in
lideradas por mujeres trans,
2011.
que nacemos en el año 2011, ¿verdad?
And this group was created in this
Precisamente en contextos
struggling
un
problems
poco
before
adversos, ¿verdad? Antes del
2009.
2009
There
no
was
se
not a
permitía
legal
personería jurídica de
representation
personas
of this
LGBTI
population in El Salvador.
más
So
acá en
at
El
that moment,
Salvador.
we had
Con la
a
llegada en
left-hand
ese entonces de
government,
un
and they
gobierno
grant
de
these
izquierda,
legal
pues se dan las
representations to
personerías
several
jurídicas
LGBTI organizations.
a
So
varias
we are one of
organizaciones
those
LGBTI
organizations
y
that
nosotras
receive
somos una de esas
that got that
organizaciones las cuales
opportunity. And
pues
currently,
se
it
nos dio
is
esa
led
oportunidad.
by a trans woman,
Actualmente es
and she's
liderada
the
por
president of the
una mujer trans
organization.
que es la
And
presidenta de la
me,
organización
as a trans
y
woman,
yo como
I'm
mujer
also the
trans que
executive
ejerzo
director.
la plaza
Our
también de
mission
la
is to
dirección
become
ejecutiva.
a collective of
Nuestra misión es
multidisciplinary people that
ser
fight
un
at a
colectivo
national
de
level
personas
on the rights of the
multidisciplinarias que luchamos a
LGBTI
nivel nacional por los derechos
population.
humanos de las
The vision
personas
is to become a
LGBTI.
leader institution at a national and
Ser una
international level
institución líder
in
a
the
nivel
rights
tanto
of,
nacional
but
como
also to
internacional
contribute
en la
to
reivindicación de
generate
los derechos humanos, pero también
equality, equal
contribuir a
opportunities for
generar
the
igualdad de
LGBTI
oportunidades para la
population. Our
población
values:
LGBTIQ+.
respect,
Nuestros
inclusion,
valores, el
transparency,
respeto, la
justice,
inclusión, la
equity, and
transparencia, la
commitment.
justicia,
Currently,
la
this
equidad y el
year,
compromiso.
We started a
Este
new
año
grant,
precisamente,
3 years,
comenzamos una nueva
2025-2027.
subvención de 3 años,
It's been only
2025-2027,
4 months that this
¿verdad?
grant
Tenemos
started
apenas 4 meses de
and the
que
new
comenzó
project, and this is
la
called
el
Reinforcing
nuevo
the National
proyecto
Response to
que se llama
HIV,
Reforzando la
focusing on
Respuesta
key
Nacional al
populations and
VIH,
aligning to the
concentrándose en las
international
poblaciones clave
objectives. So
y
what are the
alineándose con los
objectives
objetivos
of
internacionales, ¿verdad?
this
¿Cuáles son los
proposal? Because I will
objetivos
speak as a
de esta
general
propuesta? Porque yo voy a hablar a
of
nivel
this proposal
general de los
as a country
objetivos de
level,
la
but
propuesta
I
como
think it
tal
is also
de
important to
país.
speak a little
Pero
bit
creo que es
about the social
importante
context of
también hablar
HIV
un poquito del
in
contexto social
LGBTIQ
del
plus
VIH,
people.
precisamente en
Currently in El
personas
Salvador,
LGBTIQ+.
there is no
Actualmente acá en El
gender
Salvador
identity law,
no
and
existe
we
una
neither
ley de
had
identidad
any
de género ni
policies to
existen
protect
tampoco políticas,
LGBTIQ plus
¿verdad?
people.
Para la
So,
protección de las personas
besides that, in
LGBTIQ+. Lejos
2024,
de eso,
last year,
en el año 2024,
the
precisamente el año
those
pasado,
topics that
se
were related
eliminaron temas
with
relacionados
gender, LGBT
con
population, sexual
género, población
diversity,
LGBTIQ+, diversidad
and gender
sexual,
ideology, and many more
y biología de
were
género, que
not
sabemos que es un
included,
término pues mal
such as
utilizado, que no
sexual health and
existe,
reproductive.
la
They were
salud
not
sexual y
included in the
reproductiva dentro
educative
de los
center in
centros
the country.
educativos del
All the
país. Se retiraron
information
de las escuelas
or all
cualquier
those
información
materials,
educativa
educative
que tuviera
materials
que
that
ver
included all
con
these topics
género, con
were eliminated.
LGBTI, con
And
diversidad
within the
sexual.
health
Y
ministries,
más aún
they
dentro del
were also
Ministerio de Salud se
eliminated,
eliminan los únicos lineamientos de
and
atención en
those
salud que
provided
habían,
information
¿verdad? Para la
to give
atención
the services to
de
the
personas
LGBTQI+,
LGBTIQ+,
but
pero
basically
principalmente
also
para
for gay and
poblaciones de
trans
hombres
people.
gays, bisexuales, pero también de
So
personas trans.
the LGBTIQ plus, it is
El
banned
acrónimo
to
LGBTI
speak
es
about that
prohibido
in within
hablarlo dentro de las instituciones
the
del Estado y para
facilities of the state.
disfrazar
So in
un
order to
poco,
disguise the
digamos,
situation, or at least to
la
keep on
situación,
providing the
o por lo
service
dicho,
and care with the
seguir
LGBTQ
continuando con la
plus,
atención
it
de
has
las
been
personas
changed. The guidelines,
LGBTIQ+,
the care guidelines are
se
changed,
cambian estos
as well
lineamientos
as
de
the
atención,
terms and
¿verdad? Y se
terminology that were
cambian
used
las
previously with
terminologías
regards of
que antes se
HIV or people,
utilizaban
men who
en
have sex
VIH, por
with other
ejemplo,
men.
de
Now
hombres que
they are
tienen
called
sexo con otros hombres,
men of
ahora se
high
les llama
prevalence, and
hombres de alta prevalencia,
trans
y a las
women at
mujeres
the
trans en su
mid
momento, el
of
año
the last
pasado,
year,
todavía como a
they were
mediados de año,
considered also as
se les
men of very
denominaba
high
hombres de muy
prevalence.
alta
And now
prevalencia.
it's changed.
Actualmente se
Instead
les
of men,
cambió
they
esa
are just
palabra de
referred as
hombres
people of
y hoy
high
se
prevalence.
utiliza
But the
personas de muy
important
alta
thing here is
prevalencia.
that
Pero es
we cannot
lo
speak
importante
about
es
the
que
LGBTQ plus term
no se puede
within
hablar
the
del
health
término
ministries. So what
LGBTIQ+,
are the objectives of the
dentro del
project? To
Ministerio de
reduce the
Salud.
incidence,
¿Cuáles
the
son los
HIV
objetivos del
incidence in key
proyecto? Bueno,
population
reducir
and
la
vulnerable
incidencia de
populations,
VIH en poblaciones
also to
claves y
reduce the gaps
vulnerables,
in
reducir también las brechas en
the
la cascada de
ongoing
continuo de la
attention on HIV
atención y
diagnosis, and
reducir
also
la
to reduce
mortalidad por
the
VIH en
mortality
caso
rates.
de
So
detección
what are the
temprana para
priority
casos de
populations within this
TB-VIH.
proposal?
¿Cuáles son las poblaciones
MSMs,
prioritarias en esta
women,
propuesta?
trans women,
Hombres que tienen sexo con
and
otros
people
hombres,
trans. And I say
mujeres
people
trans,
trans because we
personas
also
trans, y digo
give the
personas trans
services to
porque también
non-binary and
atendemos a
to
personas no binarias
women
y mujeres
sex
trabajadoras
workers. So
sexuales.
what are the
¿Cuáles son
intervention
los módulos de
modules? I will
intervención? Yo
focus
aquí me
today
voy a
here on those who
concentrar
are
en
related
los
with key
módulos de
populations, because
intervención
there is
que
another module
competen a las
for
poblaciones clave, porque hay
women
un módulo,
who work
obviamente, de mujeres
sex
trabajadoras
workers,
sexuales,
and
que no voy a hablar
we don't
de
give
eso
that
porque nosotras
service
no
in that
atendemos
module.
a la
As for module
población
one,
de
then the
mujeres trabajadoras
prevention package
sexuales.
for men who
En el
have
módulo
sex
1, el
with
paquete de
other men
prevención
and
para
their
hombres que
sexual
tienen
partners.
relaciones
And in this
sexuales
case, we
con
have
otros
several
hombres y sus parejas
interventions. First, the
sexuales.
first one is
Acá
that
tenemos
for the
diferentes
condom and
intervenciones.
lubricants
Primero, los
program.
programas
These
de
programs
condones y lubricantes.
are
Estos
given
programas de condones y
as an
lubricantes se le
intervention
entrega en
to men
una
who have sex with other men, and in this
intervención
case,
a
gay
hombres que
men
tienen
and
sexo con
bisexual
otros
men,
hombres,
and
en
we
este
give
caso
them
hombres
an
gays y
amount
hombres
of condoms
bisexuales,
and
y
lubricants.
se les
But
entrega
also at
una
the same
cantidad
time,
de
we
condones y
offer
lubricantes, pero a la
HIV
vez
tests
también se les ofrece servicios
services.
de pruebas
We
de
also
VIH.
provide
También se
prophylaxis,
les da
pre-exposure
programas de
prophylaxis
profilaxis
for
previa a la
men who
exposición, que en
have
este
sex
caso
with
es la
other men.
PrEP, ¿verdad?
And there is
Para hombres
also
que tienen
a
relaciones
flyer
sexuales
and
con otros hombres.
information with
También hay una
regards on the
comunicación,
intervention of
información y
HIV.
generación de
So this
demandas
is
sobre
used
la
through
prevención
several
del
platforms.
VIH.
It
Eso
could
se
be
utiliza a través de diferentes
those who are
plataformas. Pueden ser
educating and those
los
who
y
goes
las
to these
educadoras que
areas, to the
van,
communities, to
¿verdad?,
provide
a
this
las zonas, a
information with
las
regards on
comunidades
HIV
para dar
prevention,
esta
or it
información
could be
sobre
also done
prevención
through
de
the virtual
VIH,
platforms.
o se pueden
We
hacer
also offer
también a través de plataformas virtuales.
services on
También servicios de
sexual and
salud sexual y
reproductive health,
reproductiva, por ejemplo,
hepatitis,
la
and the
prevención de
attention
ITS,
for those who
hepatitis y
have
atención para víctimas de violencia destinadas a hombres que tienen
and are
sexo con otros
victims,
hombres,
and
y la
also the
eliminación de
elimination
los
of the
obstáculos
obstacles
relacionados
related
con
with
los
the
derechos
human
humanos
rights
que
that
impiden
doesn't allow them to have
el
access
acceso a los
to these
servicios de
prevention
prevención
services for
de
MSM.
hombres que tienen
In
sexo
this
con
case,
otros
for
hombres. Aquí en
example,
este caso,
we train the
se
health
da, por ejemplo,
staff so they
capacitaciones al
can offer
personal de
that
salud
care and
para
services
la
to MSM.
atención
It's kind of
de
complicated
hombres que
because, as
tienen
I was
sexo con
telling
otros
you,
hombres. Un poco
within this
complicado
grant,
porque, como ya les
guidelines were
decía,
changed.
en esta
We cannot speak
subvención
about
los
men who have sex
lineamientos
with other
cambiaron,
men,
¿verdad? Y ya no se
and of
puede
course,
hablar de
we
hombres que
cannot
tienen
speak
sexo con
about
hombres y
trans
mucho
women,
menos
trans people.
de personas trans.
So you just have
Em,
2 minutes, 2 more minutes.
Luego
Te
tenemos un
quedan
módulo.
2 minutos, Carla,
So we
perdona.
have
Gracias.
another
No,
module,
uy, qué
module 2.
rápido
This
pasó
is
el
a
tiempo.
package of
Un módulo
information
2, que el
for
paquete
their
de prevenciones
sex
para personas transgénero y sus parejas
partners. And
sexuales.
this
Acá
here
son
we
las
have the same
mismas intervenciones,
interventions,
con
and
la
there are
única
only two
diferencia que
differences.
aquí hay
This
dos
year we will
intervenciones
hire
diferenciadas.
private
En
services
este
to
año se van a
provide the
contratar
care and
servicios
access for
privados
trans
para
people
la
because we
atención
want to avoid
a personas
discrimination
trans
within the health
porque
center,
se
within
quiere
the public
evitar la
centers,
discriminación en los
because
centros de salud
trans people,
público.
they don't want
O
to go
sea,
because now they are
porque las
called
personas
by
trans
their
no
legal
quieren ir,
names,
porque
so
son
they don't want
llamadas
to
ahora
go
por sus
there.
nombres
But
legales,
also,
entonces las
we
personas
provide
trans no
information
quieren ir,
about PrEP
pero
and this
también se les da
demand generation.
información sobre PrEP y
Unfortunately, only
generación a
PrEP is
demanda.
given by the
Lastimosamente,
by the health
actualmente solo la PrEP
ministry
solo la da
through
el
the grants
Ministerio
of
de
the
Salud
Global
a
Fund.
través
So we will
de
also
fondos
have a
del Fondo
human rights
Mundial.
observatory,
También se va a
and
dar un
we will
observatorio de
include
derechos
the
humanos,
strengthening
¿verdad? Que se
so
incluye
we
el
can document
fortalecimiento
all these
para
human rights
poder
violations that are
documentar todas las
given within
violaciones
the
de derechos
HIV
humanos
context
que
for
se
those
den en el contexto de
LGBTQ plus
VIH para
populations.
las
Also,
poblaciones
these
LGBTIQ+.
differentiated
También los
services, in
servicios
this case, we have
diferenciados de
combined
diagnóstico de
prevention,
VIH. Aquí
the
tenemos la prevención
delivery of the
combinada, la entrega
condoms
de condones y
and different
lubricantes a través de
networks
la red
through
nacional y
peer
hospitales
educators,
de
but also through
VIH,
these
a
mobile
través de
units
educadores
with an
PALOS, pero también a
international
través de
plan
las
that
unidades móviles
basically
con
this
plan
is one of the
internacional que
grants.
actualmente es
We
el
also
receptor
have the
principal. También
assistance,
tenemos la
the
notificación
NACNAP,
asistida a
when we have
contactos, que
this
es la
positive
NAP y la NAC,
diagnosis.
¿verdad?
So we're
Cuando se
looking here
dan diagnósticos
for
positivos,
those
se
contacts
busca,
of those
¿verdad?
casual
A
partners
los
and other partners that
contactos
they have
de
had
parejas
that had a
casuales y otras
positive
parejas que han tenido las
HIV
personas
result,
que han
and
salido
then the
VIH
distribution of
positivas
this
y la distribución de
self-diagnosis
pruebas de
test that it is called
autodiagnóstico a
Match with
través
Your Health
de una
that
aplicación que se llama
currently is
Match con tu salud,
management for
que
this
actualmente es
international plan.
administrada
What are the
por Plan
challenges
Internacional. Los
to keep
retos:
this response?
la
The Global
sostenibilidad de la
Fund, this
respuesta.
is the last grant
Fondo
for El
Mundial se va,
Salvador,
esta es
and
última
then we
subvención
need
para El
to keep,
Salvador,
we will
¿verdad?
have a
Luego viene
transition
una
phase,
de
but
de
currently,
transición, perdón,
because of the
pero
context that
actualmente
we're
pues
facing, as you know,
no hay,
within
por
the
los contextos
financing
que
situation,
hay,
there is
ustedes
not
saben, de
certainty from the
financiamiento,
Global
no
Fund, so we can
existe como una certeza del
so
Fondo
we can have
Mundial
an
de
next
poder
grant for El
recolectar y que
Salvador.
haya una
We have even
subvención más para El
they
Salvador.
have even
De
told
hecho,
us
se nos
that
ha dicho
this is
que
the
es la
last
última
grant, and
subvención,
this is of
¿verdad?, que
great
va a haber.
concern not
Eso
only on sustaining
nos
these
preocupa no
grants,
solamente
but
la
also we are
sostenibilidad de las acciones,
worried about the
sino que también nos
sustainability of those
preocupa
civil
la
society
sostenibilidad
organizations
de las
that
organizaciones de
currently
sociedad civil que
are there,
actualmente
or that
pues
most of our actions
tenemos,
are
o
done
mejor dicho, la
through the
mayoría de
funds of
nuestras
the Global
acciones
Fund.
las hacemos a través de los fondos del Fondo Mundial. Cambio.
Thank you so much, Carla, and sorry just to be in a
Muchísimas
rush
gracias, Carla,
here
y
with the
disculpa
time.
por ponernos así medio estrictas con
Thank you so much.
el
Thank you so
tiempo.
much for showing the
Muchísimas
work that's
gracias
been done in El
por
Salvador,
presentar
for
el
all the
trabajo que se
things
está
that you
haciendo
have
en El
done as from the
Salvador, el trabajo que
Colectivo
están haciendo
Alejandría,
ustedes desde el
and also for
Colectivo
showing us
Alejandría,
these
y también
panoramas, this
por
national
presentar este
panorama.
panorama
How is that
nacional,
the
¿no? Cómo las
policies and even these
políticas y
governments can
incluso los gobiernos
make us
regresivos
walk
pueden
backwards
hacer
on regards of the
retroceder
HIV
la
response.
respuesta al
So let's keep the
VIH
comments and the
también.
Q&A session
Vamos a
for the
dejar
end.
las preguntas
Now
y
I will give the
comentarios para
floor
el
to
final.
Carlos
Voy a dar
Rojas.
el
Carlos
pase a
Rojas
Carlos
is a
Rojas.
coordinator
Carlos
of
Rojas
the
es ahora
TV
coordinador
Observatorio TV in
del
Peru,
Observatorio
and
TV
he
en
will also
Perú
show us the
y
work
nos va a
that's been done
presentar
from the
también el trabajo que
observatorio.
están haciendo
He will speak
desde el
about the
observatorio,
story, a little bit of the
un poco
background
la
information,
historia
how
del
it is
observatorio,
created, and how it's
cómo
nurtured
nace,
through the
cómo se
grants
nutre de las
and
subvenciones
its
y cómo
sustainability.
se sostiene
Thank
ahora.
you. Good
Adelante,
morning,
Carlos, por
everyone.
favor.
Thank you so much. I
Muy
would like
buenos
to
días
thank
con
the
todos y
organizers
todas,
for
¿verdad?
giving me this
Agradecer a los
opportunity
organizadores
on being able
la
to share with you
oportunidad
the experience,
de
the work working
darles a
experience that we
conocer
have
un
had
poco de
from
la
the
experiencia
Observatorio
y del
Social de
trabajo que viene
Tuberculosis in
haciendo
Peru.
el Observatorio
So
Social de
can you see
Tuberculosis
the
de Perú.
slides?
No sé, Lidis,
If
si
you
me
just
indica si
share
se
it in
puede ver
the
la
Sí, si lo
presentación.
pones en pantalla completa, por favor,
Perfecto.
slide presentation
Un
mode.
momentito.
en modo presentación.
Mm,
Ahí
mm.
está,
So
perfecto.
this Observatorio Social de Tuberculosis
Bueno, el
Perú,
Observatorio
it's
Social de
a civil
Tuberculosis de
society
Perú es
organization.
una instancia de sociedad civil.
We've been working
Nosotros venimos trabajando venimos trabajando, bueno,
So we've been
sobre un
dealing with
problema
this
que es un problema de
public
salud
health problem,
pública
not
en
only
nuestro país,
for you
¿no?
to know
Solamente
exactly what's
acá
going on in
para
Peru.
situarnos en lo que
Last
está
year,
pasando en el
in
Perú,
2024,
más o
there had
menos
been
el año
32,000
pasado, el
people
año
affected by
2024, han
TB.
sido
Those were
32.000
reported.
personas
However,
afectadas de
the World
tuberculosis
Health
reportadas,
Organization
¿no?
estimates that for
Sin
the
embargo,
country
la
there are
OMS estima que para el
59,000.
país son
So there is a huge gap
59.000.
here.
Hay una brecha
And
evidente,
definitely there is a problem
¿no?
here.
Y
And
definitivamente
as we
ahí hay un
know,
problema
for those who are in
que,
Peru,
bueno,
we know that
ya
this gap
sabemos
has
muchos de
not
los que
been
estamos
covered,
en
and even
Perú,
though
la
we have
brecha
we're
todavía no ha sido
walking
cubierta,
backwards.
inclusive tenemos
In
un pequeño
Peru, this is
retroceso
the
del año
country with the
2024.
highest incidence on
El
TB
Perú
that
es
is
el país con
resistant
más
in
alta
the
incidencia de
Americas. We
tuberculosis
are one of the
resistente en
30
las
countries with
Américas.
a higher
Somos uno
load
de los
on
30
TB
países con mayor carga
in the
de
world. And as
multidrogoresistencia
for
en el
some other
mundo,
issues,
¿no? Y bueno, en
with
cuanto a
regards of
algunas
TB,
otras
in
cosas de la
2022,
situación de
there were
tuberculosis,
reported more
el
than
año
8,000
2022
cases
hemos
with
reportado
the
más de
side
8.000
effects
casos
of
de
this
personas con
TB
secuelas a consecuencia de la
disease.
tuberculosis.
So this is
Obviamente ese es
not
un
a
panorama
very favorable panorama, and
no
we don't want to be
tan
in those first
favorable.
places, of course.
Definitivamente no queremos estar en
So
esos
we need
primeros
to work on
lugares.
that. We have
Y
moved
bueno,
forward with
tenemos que
regards on the
trabajar en
TB
función de
responses
eso.
in
¿Se ha
Peru,
avanzado
yes,
en
but
la
still
respuesta a la tuberculosis en
many
el Perú?
more
Sí,
things are needed.
pero hace
Whatever
falta muchísimo
the
más. O sea,
achievements that
los
we have,
logros que
they are
puedan
good,
haber,
yes,
los logros
but
que se puedan
still we
representar
need
son buenos, pero
to
todavía
cover
pues
this gap that
tenemos
it is
una
translated
demanda no
within these figures
satisfecha
that we are
que se
showing.
traduce en esas
As
brechas
for
que estamos
the background
presentando.
on the creation on the observatory in Peru,
Antecedentes en la creación
here
del
I just wanted to show
Observa
you
TV.
some of
Aquí
the
quería traerles un
preliminary
poco algunas cosas
steps
previas a lo
before
que es la
creating
creación
this
del mismo
observatorio. As you
observatorio.
can see, the
Como
TB
verán, la
situation
situación de
is not a current
tuberculosis
situation,
es
or
un
it is
problema
not a
no de
current
ahora, es un problema
issue.
que
But there have
arrastramos
been always
decenios. Y
organizations from the
siempre han
civil
habido
society on the
organizaciones,
response to
actores
TB.
sociales
So these
involucrados en la
social
respuesta a la
actors on a
tuberculosis.
general basis
Estos
have been
actores
working in
sociales
an isolated way
generalmente
or in
hemos
an
venido
individual
trabajando de
way.
manera
There are just a
aislada, de
few
manera
experiences where we've
individual,
been able to put
pocas
together and to work
experiencias
together
en donde hemos
until the fact
podido
that until there
juntarnos
is one event,
hasta que
one
llega un
specific event.
hecho
A few years
específico,
ago,
¿no? Hace unos años
the lack of
se
operations for
visibilizó el
those people
tema
affected
de
with
la
TB,
falta de
and from
operaciones
the
para las personas
health
afectadas de
ministry, we
tuberculosis
know
por
that
parte del
there
Ministerio
is
de Salud.
a proportion
Sabemos
of
que
the
hay
TB
cierta
people
proporción
there
de las personas
because
afectadas
of
de
the
tuberculosis
damages and the
en
treatment
tratamiento, bueno, por
and
los
the health
daños y
situation that they are facing.
por
They need a
la situación
specific
de salud en la cual
operation.
se encuentra, necesita
So
una
what we
operación.
visibilized there was that the
Y
state was not
lo que
complying, that
visibilizamos es que el
they
Estado no
could
estaba
receive these
cumpliendo con hacer que
activities.
estas personas
So they were
puedan
just
recibir
there
esas
in the waiting
operaciones.
room. They spend
Y
there many
están en
time,
sala de espera
many long
mucho tiempo,
periods there, and
mucho
sometimes
tiempo.
they died,
Algunos
and
de
some
ellos
of
en ese
them they
transcurso de
just
tiempo
disappeared. They
morían,
just
algunos
went away, and we didn't know
desaparecían,
exactly what happened with
desertaban
them. So
y no se
this
sabía
was
qué había sido de ellos.
a reflector,
Entonces,
and
esto salió a la
was
luz
this
y
experience
fue
where
la primera
many
experiencia en donde
actors
muchos
got together,
actores
and I think that
nos
this is
pudimos
this
juntar.
breaking
Creo que
point
ahí hay un
where we
punto
were
de
able
quiebre,
to
nos pudimos
create a
juntar
joint
y pudimos
intervention,
armar
and it was
una
an important and a
intervención
visible
conjunta,
activity.
una
We were
intervención
able
visible,
to get together
importante,
with several
con
allies
responsables,
and with
pudimos
several
juntarnos con aliados, con
correspondents.
responsables clave en su
So we were
momento,
able
nos
to
ayudó,
work together at
hicimos también
national and
conexión vida a
international
otros
level.
actores,
We
tanto a
sent an
nivel
open
nacional e
letter
internacional.
to the
Mandamos
presidency.
una carta abierta
We also
a la
developed certain
presidencia,
communication with the health
entablamos
ministry and with some other
comunicaciones
social
con el Ministerio
actors.
de Salud,
And after a
con otros
specific,
actores
after a
sociales.
long period,
Finalmente,
then,
después de un
and
largo
with the
periodo de
effort of
tiempo,
all of us together, we
y
were
con el
able
esfuerzo de todos y todas,
to pressure,
pudimos
to
hacer
push,
que,
and
o pudimos
so
presionar
they
para
can
que se
start it,
implemente y ponga en operatividad
operating
una
room
de las
that was part of
salas
the
de
Global
operación que
Fund
era financiada
grants.
también, o parte de
So
financiamiento por
then
el Fondo Mundial
it
inclusive,
started working.
y
So this for the
empezó
first
a
time
operar,
having
¿no?
this
Esta
surgery for
noticia: realizan por
TB
primera vez en Perú
patients.
cirugía a pacientes con
That is not so true, but
tuberculosis
it should
resistente.
be
Bueno, eso
that
no es tan cierto, debería haber sido
we were
esto
able
ya
to
desde
have that.
hace
So
tiempo, pero bueno,
this first
se puso como
experience
un hito.
was
Entonces, esta primera
allow us
experiencia
to
nos
connect,
galvanizó, nos pudimos
and
interconectar
between
y,
2018 and
bueno,
2020,
entre los años
then
2019 y
this project
2020
Observa TV
ya vino el
was
proyecto
funded by the
Observa
Global Fund.
TV,
So this was
financiado
the
por Fondo
trigger that
Mundial,
allowed us
y fue la palanca que
to work
ayudó
together.
a hacer que nos
This was an
podamos unir
articulated space, and
en
this
un
is the
espacio articulado
Observatorio Social
que es
de
el
TB.
Observatorio Social de
As for
Tuberculosis del Perú. El año
The
2020
year 2020,
específicamente
the
se
observatory observatory was
el
created, and we were
observatorio
accompanied by the
y
Global Fund from
tuvimos
the
un
RB
acompañamiento
up to
del Fondo Mundial a
2022.
través del
In
RP
2022,
hasta
this
el año
accompaniment
2022. El año
ends, so
2022
we
culmina este
assume
acompañamiento
a
y
civil society,
nosotros
we
asumimos de manera
assume
autónoma como
the
sociedad civil
organization
la conducción
of
del
the
observatorio.
observatory,
Hasta
and
la
since
fecha
then we've been
hemos
working
venido
on an
funcionando de
ongoing
manera
basis. So what is
ininterrumpida.
the Social
¿Qué
Observatory?
es el
This is a
observatorio? Bueno, es
platform
una plataforma
formed
de
by
articulación
26
compuesta
organizations.
por unas
Currently, it was
26
created
organizaciones
on July 3rd,
actualmente. Fuimos
2020,
creados el 3
and
de
we
julio de
are here to
2020.
contribute
Y
to the
bueno, nuestra
TB
labor es
response from the
contribuir
civil
con la
society.
respuesta a la
We are
tuberculosis
committed
desde la
to
sociedad
protect
civil, ¿no?
the health
Estamos
rights
comprometidos con
and
la
the
defensa
fight
del
against
derecho a
TB.
salud, con la
As you
lucha
see,
contra la
26
tuberculosis.
organizations. We are
Bueno,
the
como
civil
verán,
society
26
organizations,
organizaciones, estamos
community-based
organizaciones de
organizations
base comunitaria, que
affected
son
by
las
TB
organizaciones de
in
personas
Peru.
afectadas de
Some of them are
tuberculosis
within the
en el
observatorio,
Perú.
and some others,
Algunas de
there
ellas
are some
estamos dentro del
professional health
observatorio, estamos
colleges,
algunos colegios
some associations
profesionales de
of
salud,
health issues,
algunas
NGOs,
asociaciones de
and there are
profesionales de
some other
salud,
organizations of
ONGs,
community-based.
también estamos
So
otras
in
organizaciones de
total,
base
the
comunitaria.
objective
Y
is
en
to have a
conjunto, bueno, lo que
response,
nos
to
une
have a
es
common
ese
response
objetivo,
to
¿no?
TB
Tener una
in the
respuesta
objectives that we are
común
giving
a
this
la tuberculosis en los objetivos en los cuales
prioritization in the
estamos priorizando la
intervention.
intervención.
So, what are the
Y bueno, ¿en
foundations
qué
of
se
the
sustenta
observatorio,
finalmente lo que es el observatorio
or
y
what are the
todo
steps that are
espacio
involved in the TB
que
from the
puede
civil
estar
society
involucrado en el tema de
community,
tuberculosis desde la sociedad civil? Bueno,
within the
en
concept
el
of the
concepto de
right
la
as a
participación como
participation?
derecho.
This
Y
participation in any
la
moment or in any
participación en
stage of the
cualquier
public
momento, cualquier
policies
fase
cycle that
del
are related
ciclo
with
de
the
las
state and with
políticas
any other
públicas que
intervention.
tienen que ver con
So
el Estado y con
this
cualquier otra
participation
intervención.
is not only
La
that it's a
participación
right
no
that
solamente
we
es
should be
algo
there,
que es un
but also
derecho que
it's
ya de por
a
sí
common
debemos
sense
estar
topic.
presentes, sino es un tema de
We
sentido
as
común.
citizens, men and
Nosotros,
women
¿no?
affected by TB or
Ciudadanos,
that they live with
ciudadanas, de
HIV
repente en
are the
este caso
ones who
afectados
are
de
facing the
tuberculosis que viven
problem.
con
This
VIH,
is a sense
somos
of
los que
common
sentimos
sense
el problema.
that we need
Es
to be
una cuestión de
present within
sentido
the
común estar
proposal, within
presente
the
en
cycle of
la
the public
propuesta,
policies, on
en
the
el ciclo del proyecto, en
proposal
el ciclo de las
of
políticas
how is it
públicas,
that these problems
en la
will
propuesta
be
de
solved,
cómo
and
se
that
debe resolver
affects
esos
us.
problemas
So just for
que
you
nos
to
afectan,
give
¿no?
you this
Entonces,
illustration,
solamente
within the cycle,
para
we are
ilustrar,
from the
en el
public
ciclo del
policy
proyecto,
cycle,
bueno,
from
vamos
the beginning, from
desde el tema de políticas
from
públicas, que es
defining the
igual, desde
problem,
la
then
definición del
establishing the
problema,
agenda,
establecimiento de agenda, la
and
formulación
for
política,
any
la
of these
implementación, la
stages,
evaluación. Cualquiera de
it
estas
is
fases es
it is not
innegable que
we
debe
should be
estar
the civil
presente
society be there as well as the
la
community
sociedad
should be there.
civil, las
As Carla
comunidades.
mentioned
Como en
already,
el
they are
caso
in
que
the
nos ha antecedido
implementation,
nuestra
and we are
compañera
just in a
Carla,
different
ellos
stage
están
right
en la
now from the
implementación.
observatorio.
Nosotros estamos
So,
en otro momento
and
desde
how
el
does this
observatorio, ¿no?
participation should
Entonces,
be? Well,
bueno, ¿y
it
cómo debe
is
ser
not
la
only to
participación?
illustrate
Ahí
that,
también no
but also
solamente es para
we have
ilustrar
seen
este
this
tema. Seguramente
participation
muchos
ladder.
hemos visto la
It should
escalera
not
de la
be a
participación. Nuestra
declaration, but it should
participación
not be
no debe
used
ser
just to say that
declarativa, no se
our
nos debe
policy in
utilizar
health
para
or in
decir
TB
que
or
somos,
HIV are
que ya
there,
nuestra
but we don't
política en
have a
salud,
voice,
en
we don't have
tuberculosis
a
VIH,
vote,
estamos
and we are not
presentes, pero
really
no tenemos
participating
voz,
in
no tenemos
in
voto,
this.
no estamos participando en
It
la
has to
definición,
be a
tenemos que
more
tener una
elaborated and active
participación mucho
participation
más
in
elaborada,
any
mucho
of the
más
stages
activa
of the
en
cycle or any
esta,
other
bueno, en
public
cualquier
policy.
ciclo de
So this
proyecto,
is
en
just
cualquier
for
política
us
pública, ¿no?
to
Entonces,
see
solamente
where
es
is
para un
the
poco ubicar de
foundations
dónde
of
se
the
sustenta el
observatory as
trabajo
well
que
as
hace
from other
el
civil
observatorio
society
y otras
platforms that are
plataformas de
involved
sociedad
within
civil que
the TB
estamos
fight and
involucrados
people
en el
living with
tema
HIV
de la
and
lucha
health
contra la
in general.
tuberculosis que vive con VIH y en tema de salud en general.
So what do we
Bueno,
do?
¿y qué
Quedan
hacemos
Well,
5
nosotros?
minutos, Carlos,
Ya,
perdón.
as the
gracias. ¿Qué hacemos
observatorio,
nosotros
we work in the
en el
public
observatorio? Bueno,
policy
trabajamos en el tema de
as well as on
ciencias
the
en políticas
strengthening of social
públicas,
civil
sobre todo en
society and this
fortalecimiento de sociedad
social
civil, en el
oversight.
tema de
We have some
vigilancia
other
social.
roles,
También
but
tenemos
basically
otras,
these are the three that we
otros
have
roles, pero
developed
básicamente en esos tres
our
nos
work.
hemos
So
desarrollado.
what do we want to do? We want to
Y
move
bueno,
this
¿qué es
big
lo que queremos?
elephant
Es mover al
represented
elefante. El
by the
Estado es un
state. It
elefante,
is
¿no?
very
Muy
difficult to
difícil de
make it
mover,
change
muy
and very
difícil de
difficult
hacer
to
que
make it
cambie,
work.
muy
So
difícil de
for
hacer
that,
que
we need
trabaje.
to have
Y
several
para ello
strategies
nosotros
and
debemos
necessary tools
tener
that imply also
estrategias,
the
herramientas
participation.
necesarias que
The
impliquen obviamente este
participation
tema de la participación. El tema
of
de
the
el
MIPA,
MIPA, el mayor involucramiento de las
the
personas
social
afectadas, el monitoreo
oversight.
liderado
So
por
these are tools
comunidad,
and these are
la vigilancia
strategies as
social
well
en
as
su conjunto son
principles,
herramientas, son estrategias,
the
son
Engage TV,
principios.
it's a principle so we
El
can
Engage TV
work and
son
we
principios
can
que
make
nos
more
rigen para
effective
poder
our
hacer que
work
nosotros
as
hagamos más efectivo
observatorio
nuestro
in
trabajo,
the
nuestra labor, en
social
nuestro caso como
oversight.
observatorio en el
So
tema de
in order
ciencia
to move
política,
this big
vigilancia social,
elephant, so
para
this
poder
elephant
mover
that
a este elefante, ¿no? Poder
do
hacer que
what
haga lo que
it
tenga que
has to
hacer.
do.
Y eso es lo
So
que queremos, ¿no? Bueno,
As within the
en el tema,
observatorio,
ya en concreto
an
en el
important
observatorio
topic for
tenemos
us is to
un
keep on
tema muy
expanding the
importante que es el
community
seguir
base and
ampliando
to
a
share
las
the
bases
information
comunitarias, a la
with
población,
regards
el
of what is the
conocimiento
TB response.
sobre lo que significa la respuesta a
If
la
the population,
tuberculosis.
if citizens, they don't know
Si
their own
la
rights, if
población,
they don't know
ciudadanos
how
no
the
saben sus
structures
derechos, no
from the
saben
state
cómo
work,
funcionan
and if they don't
sus
know what is the
estructuras del
care
Estado,
service
su
model, it
modelo
is
de
really
atención,
difficult
es
for
muy
us to
difícil
have
que
an amount of
podamos
people or
tener
population or social
una
actors that
cantidad de
go in
personas, de
favor of the
población, de
proposals
actores
that
sociales a
given by
favor de
the
las propuestas
observatorio.
que el
So in
observatorio
that
hace.
sense,
Entonces,
the
el observatorio
observatorio
ha
has this
tenido
topic as a
un
priority
tema
on
muy
strengthening
importante
the
en el
skills and
tema
the
de
capacity of civil
fortalecimiento
society.
de las
Last year,
capacidades.
we
Por
did
ejemplo,
around
hemos hecho el
12
año pasado
webinars, and around
alrededor de
900
12
people
webinars
attended
y más
those
o menos
webinars with these
900
topics that
personas
we
que
have
han
proposed.
asistido
We have also
a estos
mentioned
temas que
about the
hemos
key
propuesto. Hemos
population,
trabajado el
the
tema de
protection
poblaciones clave,
policies,
el tema
the
de las
side
políticas
effects.
de
So
protección, el
information
tema de
that easily
secuelas,
cannot reach the
información que
population and the
fácilmente no
social
puede
actors.
llegar a la
So we have
población y a
used
los
these
actores
tools such
sociales.
as the social
Y
media
hemos
that allow us
utilizado
to make
herramientas como las
massive
redes sociales que nos han
information.
permitido masificar
We
esta
have also
información,
had
¿no?
specific
Hemos
support
tenido
and
ahí
important from the
también
new
un
grants
apoyo
of the Global
puntual
Fund that
importante de la
allow
nueva
us to have
subvención del
several
Fondo Mundial que
communication
nos ha permitido
means.
algunos
We
canales de
will launch
comunicación. Tenemos
our
nuestra página,
website,
bueno, vamos a
and
lanzar
we
nuestra
can
página
have
web.
also
Nos ha
a Zoom
dotado del
channel
tema
in
de
order
un
to do all
canal de
this.
Zoom
So
para
we are
poder
working on that.
hacer todo esto.
We are
Entonces,
really strongly working on
estamos
that.
trabajando en
As
eso
for
muy
the
fuerte.
practical examples
Y
of
en el
the
tema ya de
observatorio,
ejemplos
we
prácticos de
had
lo que
work
el
based on
observatorio ha venido
priorities.
trabajando,
Every
nosotros
year,
trabajamos
we
por
try to
prioridades.
prioritize what
Cada
are the
año
problems that we will
tratamos de
focus on
priorizar cuáles
our
son los
work.
problemas en los cuales vamos a enfocar nuestra atención.
There are hundreds of
Problemas en la lucha
problems with
contra la
regards of
tuberculosis
the
y la respuesta
TB
hay
response, but with the
cientos
resources that
de
we have, we need
problemas,
to
pero nosotros con
focus on
los
those
recursos que
that we
tenemos
consider
tenemos que
are
enfocarnos en
relevant.
aquellos que
So
creemos que es
basically,
relevante. Entonces,
we choose some of the
prácticamente
problems, and
ponemos a
all the
disposición
members
una
of the
serie de
observatorio
problemas y
vote
todos
for
los integrantes del
those who are more
observatorio
important, and then we just give this
votamos por cuáles
priority.
son los más
So in this
importantes
case,
y los
the
priorizamos. Entonces, en este
CD,
caso, la
this
prioridad
is
es el
a
tema de
topic from
PAN-TBC, que
the
es parte de la política
public
pública del Estado
policy.
en el
We give
tema
a
de tuberculosis.
food
Se
basket
entrega una
for those
canasta de
people affected
alimentos
with
a todas las
TB
personas
in the whole
afectadas por
country.
tuberculosis
But
en
in
el
this
país,
case, there
pero
were
en este
not
caso
providing this
no
basket
había,
for
no
those
se
who were
estaba brindando la
in
canasta
prison.
a las
For
personas privadas
this
de
is a
libertad afectadas
specific
de
and a
tuberculosis.
key
Las
group
personas privadas
where
de
we
libertad, que es
have
un
a
grupo
biggest
clave,
incidence
ahí
of
tenemos la
TB.
mayor incidencia de
There are not
tuberculosis,
good
tenemos
conditions with regards
condiciones
of the
no
food,
adecuadas de
and they were
alimentación,
not complying
hacinamiento,
with the
y
guidelines. So in that
no se
sense,
estaba cumpliendo la
that's why we
normativa.
decided to
Entonces
make it a
ahí hemos
priority. And this is
intervenido
the whole process, the intervention
y
process.
bueno, este es todo un proceso de
We won't speak
intervención que
it
no
on
lo
detail,
vamos a
but we're
detallar.
just still
Estamos
working on that to
trabajándolo para poder
document the
hacer en
whole
algún momento un
experience. But
ordenamiento de toda la
we have worked
experiencia.
on these
Pero
incidents and the
hemos
visibility of the
trabajado en el tema de
situation,
incidencia, el
as
tema
well
de
as on the
visibilizar la
communication. We have a
situación,
campaign for
el
that,
tema
and we have done
comunicacional. Hemos
several
tenido una
actions that
campaña,
allow us
etcétera,
to,
etcétera, toda una
from
serie
the
de
moment that
acciones,
we
lo que ha
started this
permitido que
intervention, we've been
desde la
able to
fecha en que
contribute
hemos
to
empezado la
make effective
intervención, hemos
this
contribuido a
policy,
que
this
se haga
public policy with
efectivo
regards of TB,
esta
on making
política
all the people, in this
pública
case,
en el tema de tuberculosis, de
PPLs
hacer que
affected,
todas las
so they
personas,
can
en
have
este caso
access to this
PPLs
food
afectadas de
basket.
tuberculosis, puedan
So from
acceder a la
zero
canasta. De 0
receiving
personas que
this
hemos
basket
tenido
in the
recibiendo la
people
canasta
affected
en
by
los
TB,
penales,
we
en
have
la
received a
PPL
report
afectada de
from the
TB,
beginning of the
ya
year
hemos
that it's
tenido
been distributed
reporte a
to
principios de
500
año
people
que ya se está
approximately.
distribuyendo
And
a
the goal
500
is so we
personas
can reach
aproximadamente la
around
canasta. La
2,000
meta es
people.
que se cubra todo, son 2000
So we can
aproximadamente,
make that this
y que podamos hacer que
regulation,
la normativa
it's
en la cual
complied.
hemos venido incidiendo que se
So
apruebe, se
evidently,
cumpla, ¿no?
this is a
Entonces, obviamente, este
priority.
es un
This
aspecto del
is of
programa.
high
La prioridad
priority. We have
PAN-TBC
some
es
other
mucho
actions. We
mayor.
have some
Tenemos todavía
additional
otras
challenges also
acciones en
because of
intervención,
their
otros retos
functioning.
adicionales
But
por
in
su
this case, we've
funcionamiento.
been able to
Pero
translate
en este
this
caso
work
puntual, pues hemos podido
concretely
traducir el
in the
trabajo de
fact that they
manera
can receive
concreta
their food
en el
basket.
tema de que
Another with
reciban su
regards of the
canasta, ¿no?
new technical
Otro, el
guideline
tema
is
de
the
la nueva norma
incorporation of
técnica
this oral
en la
treatment.
incorporación de los
We know
tratamientos
the
acortados
topic,
orales. Es
or
otra
if we are not
prioridad. Ya
aware of
todos
that,
sabemos cuál es el
hopefully
tema, o
we
bueno, si no
can
lo sabemos,
provide
espero que
information on
podamos
what is this oral treatment.
suministrar alguna información
So
a
in
los que
this
deseen
case,
cómo es el
on the
tratamiento de
right-hand side of the
tuberculosis.
slide, you
¿Cómo
can
se ha
see
venido
the
dando?
treatment that
Aquí a
was
la
given
derecha,
on the
cómo era el
multi-medication. There
tratamiento
were
de la
14
tuberculosis
tablets per
multidrogo
day
resistente en el país.
with these
14 tabletas al
injectable
día
sessions.
con su
So
inyectable.
this is
Es un
a
tratamiento
very strong treatment, and sometimes
verdaderamente que
didn't allow
era
to have this
desalentaba en
adherence
algunos
to
casos
treatment.
la adherencia al
Also,
tratamiento.
there was an issue
Aparte de
with
que
regards on
había
some adverse
un
reactions to
tema
the
de
treatment,
algunas reacciones adversas
MDR.
al
So
tratamiento,
it was really
específicamente
long,
MDR.
and it
Era
was
muy
not
largo
good. So what we
y
were
no
proposing
era,
at that
bueno,
moment,
y lo que nosotros
it was
proponíamos
that
en
it
este
should
caso desde
change, the
hace un
treatment
tiempo
should
era
be
que
changed,
se cambie
because
el
this was like a
tratamiento,
short
este tipo de
version,
tratamientos
and
hacia el
that
tratamiento
meant
oral acortado.
some changes on
Eso
the
significaba
policy
cambios
for
en la
TB and the
política
policy and
de
the state
trabajo
policy that
en
was
tuberculosis del Estado, significa
to modify
modificar
that.
normas
So
y en
we've
ese
been
camino
working on
hemos
that,
estado
so
haciendo incidencia
these
desde el observatorio para
regulations
que
were
puedan
modified. At the
modificarse
end,
esta
last
normativa,
year,
¿no? Esta
this
normativa
regulation was
finalmente se ha
modified.
modificado el
So
año
now we have a
pasado,
new
el año
technical
2024
regulation,
finales,
and
con
now
una nueva
the
norma técnica
multi-drug
y el
for
tratamiento de
TB
tuberculosis
treatment,
multidrogo
we
resistente
use this
ahora
short oral procedure.
se
In this
utiliza el
case,
esquema oral
5
acortado,
tablets
¿no?
during
En este
6 months.
caso, 5
So hopefully
tabletas por
this is
6
a
meses.
change, a very
Eso
important
esperamos que
change
sea
that
un cambio
allowed to improve
muy
adherence as well
importante
as
que permita
to
mejorar la
avoid
adherencia, que
abandoning the
permita
treatment. There are
evitar el
some other
abandono
conditions
del
for the
tratamiento. Hay otras
abandonment, but at least to
condicionantes
avoid some of
del
the
abandono, pero por lo
obstacles
menos
so people
eliminar
can
algunos
be
obstáculos
adherent
para
to the
poder
treatment.
hacer que las
So
personas
that has
cumplan y
been
sean
another
adherentes, ¿no?
long
Ese ha sido también
activity.
un
We have worked with
trabajo
these different
largo,
aspects
un trabajo con diferentes
that
ramas,
similarly we
diferentes
are putting
aspectos,
together.
que
The idea is
igualmente
to
estamos
identify who are the
ordenando, que ha
allies,
significado
who are
identificar
those
aliados, identificar
responsible,
quiénes
and
son
who are
los
those
responsables
also involved on the
de los
modification of these
involucrados en el tema
regulations.
de la
So
modificación de estas
finally, we
normativas.
believe that this is
Y
an
bueno, todos
aspect or
creemos
an
que
issue of
finalmente
rights.
es una
So why
cuestión de
is it that they
derecho.
cannot
¿Por qué
have access
no
to
las
a
personas en
shortened oral
tratamiento pueden
treatment if
acceder
it's
a un
already
esquema oral
available in the market?
acortado
And
si
if
ya
the
está
World
disponible
Health
en el mercado y
Organization's
si las
recommendations
recomendaciones
define
de
that
la
it was the
OMS
ideal
ya
treatment? So
establecían
this
que
is
era lo
something
ideal?
that nurture
Eso
our
es algo que
motivation so we can move
nutría
forward within
nuestra
all this work
motivación para poder
on
avanzar
the
en todo
incidence
este
aspect.
trabajo
And we will keep
de
on working on
incidencia
that.
en lo que es los tratamientos acortados
We
y
still
seguiremos en este trabajo.
are, the
Nosotros
regulation is
todavía
already
estamos,
approved,
por
but we
ejemplo,
need to make
ya
it
está aprobada la
comply.
norma,
We need
pero
to make
tenemos que
the
hacer que se
implementation
cumpla la
be
implementación en
there.
todo el país.
So we need to
Tenemos
see that
que
this
ver que
situation of the treatments is
esta
not
situación de
interrupted,
los
and
tratamientos no se
also
interrumpa en algún momento, ver que los medicamentos no
monitoring that
falten,
all
ver que se le brinde a las
those people
personas
get the
todas
conditions to
las
receive the
condiciones para que
treatment.
puedan seguir el
So,
tratamiento cortado, ¿no? Estamos en ese
Vamos
proceso.
cerrando,
as I was
Carlos,
telling
por
you,
favor.
this
Muy
is
bien.
part of the work that we have done,
Eso,
and
como
finally
decía,
we
es
are on
parte
that.
de todo el trabajo que se ha hecho.
Just to
Finalmente estamos
close,
en eso. Y
as
bueno,
a
ya terminando,
poet from
como
Peru
decía un
says,
poeta
brothers
peruano,
and
César
sisters, there's
Vallejo,
a
hay
lot more
hermanos
to do,
muchísimo que
César
hacer.
Vallejo. So
Efectivamente,
the community
la
participation is
participación
important.
comunitaria
It is
es
indispensable in all the public
importante, es
policies as well as
indispensable en
on all the
todas las
management of
políticas
the projects.
públicas, en toda la
But
gestión de los
and
proyectos.
here I call
Y sobre todo, y
on
aquí
a
hago un
reflection. We
llamado
are
a
in
la
this
reflexión. Estamos
situation,
en
in
una
this,
época
we are
turbulenta. El
having
Fondo
problems with
Mundial
the budgets of the Global Fund.
tenemos problemas con los
So
presupuestos del
that
Fondo Mundial. Eso quiere decir
Ciertamente.
que
hopefully
probablemente,
it's
ojalá
the
Dios quiera,
state
por
who
decir algo,
assume the
sea el
costs,
Estado
and
el
it
que
has to.
vaya a asumir los costos
We need to
y
do
tiene
this
que
follow-up, and
asumirlos.
not only that, but
Tenemos que
also
hacer
once
ahí
that it's been
seguimiento. Y no
assumed, we need
solamente
to
eso,
do this
sino
oversight.
ya
We need to do
cuando
the
los asuma,
follow-up. We need
tenemos
to
que
do the
hacer
monitoring
monitoreo,
of
tenemos que hacer
whatever happens with
seguimiento
that budget
de
that has
todo
to be
lo que
assigned to the
suceda con
TB
ese
response,
presupuesto que debe
HIV, and
asignar a la
health in
respuesta
general.
a la
So that
tuberculosis,
will
el
be
VIH y
all.
a la salud en general.
These are our
Eso sería todo,
social
nuestras redes
media, and we
sociales
are
y por favor,
available
cualquier cosa,
so
estamos
we can
nosotros a
coordinate
disposición
efforts
para
and to
poder
create
coordinar
alliances and to
esfuerzos
move
para
on
poder
forward
formar
with
alianzas
this
y
TB
seguir
response.
avanzando en la respuesta a
Health
la
is our
tuberculosis.
right, and that's
La
our
salud es
path.
un
Thank
derecho
you so
y
much.
nosotros estamos en
Thank you
esa
so
línea.
much,
Muchas
Carlos.
gracias a todos.
We have
Muchísimas
just
gracias,
extended
Carlos.
a little bit more of the time, but
Nos hemos extendido
we
un poco
thank
más
you
del tiempo, pero
for
les
staying
agradecemos a todos y todas
in this session.
por quedarse en esta sesión.